The fundamental question that I think all great schools need to always ask themselves is how do you maintain and grow your academic program to make it as strong as possible? And if you look at Ready Lab, if you look at the public-private partnership that we have with Horizons, if you look at our interim program, we've always been pushing innovation. We've always been trying to distinguish ourselves and give our kids sort of an experience here that they can't replicate in other places.
For over a decade, Colorado Academy has been a leader in terms of innovation education. The movement away from AP has been a long 2-decade endeavor by other independent schools, mainly on the East Coast. We are doing something that is not unique in the larger world of independent schools. However, it is unique in Colorado. And it'll be even more distinctive here because of the creativity, the independence of our teachers, and our unique skill set we have among our faculty.
The CA upper school program is really about discovery of the self and discovery of one's interests and passions that might lead them to a future beyond CA. We are providing more pathways and more avenues for them to discover what that might be through advanced studies and research.
When your student enrolls in an advanced studies and research course, you have an opportunity to turn your child loose. They have an opportunity to follow their creativity, their passions, but also join that in partnership with a teacher who's basically doing the same thing. So many of our teachers have advanced degrees, they have all these amazing ideas, and has an opportunity to really pursue an independent curriculum. And you never know where that may lead. It may lead to a student going on and finding a passion here at Colorado Academy that they'll follow at graduate school and maybe in their careers. And that's an exciting prospect.
The fact that we're differentiating ourselves through a program that shows that we know our kids, shows that we want them to grow, is helping them find a passion that they can sort of extend into the university, makes them really compelling candidates. You want kids to show up in the fall at your school when they're college students, having already done really thoughtful work, really deep research, advanced work in a particular field, because they're going to show up just as different students. They're going to show up prepared in a different kind of way.
In college admissions, you want passion and glue. You want students who are going to bring community together in the classroom, and ignite ideas together with their peers, whether it's in the dorm or in a seminar with their professors walking around campus, or when they're doing an internship, broadcasting their experience beyond the classroom. Those are the kind of students that stand out.
We know our students have this capacity that we're really ready to unlock, and I think the ASR course of study will be able to do that.